Alright, welcome back to the Wandering Reseller. We're treasure hunting in Costa Mesa Flea Market today. Orange Coast College. This really changed once the flea market at the fairgrounds started charging extra for parking while the vendor left. Came here. Very nice. Just walk around, no entry, no cost, where they would charge you at the other place. Okay. I'm gonna walk all the way down and then through every channel. A little hard finding treasure here. I found one vendor that might. All right, tools. Really not tools, more starting to see. Well, treasure hunting was a little difficult today as I branch out to look for new opportunities. Treasure hunting in Orange County, California. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. You guys have a great week, and we'll try to do this regularly.